Nah, I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Baby, would you answer? I give you love, make I give it to you faster.
Hey guys, we're back with another video.
So today we're trying out the viral
TikTok nature salad? Nature cereal.
Nature cereal, yeah.
This was recommended by Ricky.
Hey Ricky.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna see how it tastes, if it's really worth the hype or not.
So we're using blueberries, blackberries,
Raspberries and pomegranate.
and then coconut water.
Grace coconut water. I wonder if you could do like alkaline water. You think that would taste good?
You can try alkaline water. I'll drink coconut water.
Okay.
Cause like alkaline water, it'd just be like water with fruits.
But it's coconut water with fruits too.
I know, but like the coconut water gives it like a different vibe.
Okay, we're gonna just try it and see how it goes. This is how it looks. So are you like supposed to mix it, right? Like cereal?
Yeah.
Alright, so it gives you people like it gave me energy and all kinds of stuff. You feel energized?
Maybe if you got it without, like with pulp, you should have me buy the coconut water.
I don't drink coconut water,
Yeah,
so
you should have me buy it.
but people didn't have pulp in theirs.
I don't know, but I think it would taste better.
Take some of there.
Not the worst.
Okay, is it like worth the hype?
No. At least I don't think it is.
I just like a fruit salad. It's a fruit salad with liquid. But you like it though.
Let me try it without the blueberry and see if it tastes better.
You like it?
It's okay.
Okay, so where you rate this from 1 to 10 of?
Maybe like a 6.5.
I think I'll give it like a 6 or a 5.5. I think it's just I don't like coconut water like that, so that's what it is. And
I
maybe
do,
maybe
but
it was
I feel like this coconut was young.
young coconut when they made that coconut water.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't really like how that coconut water tastes.
Maybe it's the brand, but Grace is Grace.
Yeah. But usually, I don't think I really... Actually, no, the coconut... I don't know. I just don't think the hype's not really there for me.
Maybe if we had like the ice in it.
I don't know. You can dash some water and see if it makes a difference. Yeah.
All right.
That was it.
So
that concludes our nature cereal video.
test try, review,
Yeah.
whatever else.
So don't forget
To like, comment, and subscribe.
You guys can like follow me on Instagram if you want to. It's TAASHA 4 at Instagram.
I'll just put it in the description box
I
because
was gonna
you
say
like,
Instagram.com.
you don't
like
even
it's
know.
my email.
Like you don't know. Like you know what you're saying.
I don't.
I'll just put it in the description box below.
Yeah, I don't know why, but all day at work I've been like the and I'm like, I don't know the rest of the dance.
Isn't it? Boom, 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 boom. Are we doing two different things? Okay, bye, bye.
I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Baby, would you answer? I give you love, make I give it to you faster.